In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Wave accounting data into QuickBooks. This process is essential for anyone transitioning between these two platforms, allowing you to maintain continuity in your bookkeeping and take advantage of the features QuickBooks offers. Let's get started by diving into the QuickBooks website, which we'll be using as our primary tool for this task. First, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. This can be done on any device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or even a smartphone. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Use your QuickBooks account credentials to access your account. If for some reason you don't recall your password, don't worry. There's usually an option to reset it, ensuring you can gain access without a hitch. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. This icon is your gateway to a variety of options, so it will be quite useful for different tasks within QuickBooks. Click on it to find a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you're going to look for the Import Data option. This is essentially where all data transfers into QuickBooks are initiated. By selecting it, you'll be prompted with various types of data you can import. For our purposes today, you'll want to choose Chart of Accounts. This is a crucial step because the chart of accounts contains essential accounting categories that allow you to effectively track transactions across your business. Once you've selected Chart of Accounts, you will see an Import button. Click this to proceed further into the process. Now it's time to upload the file that contains your Wave accounting data. To do this, you'll see a Browse button. Clicking on this will open your device's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to where your Wave data is stored. Locate the correct file and select it. Once you have your file selected, confirm your choice to import it. With all of this completed, QuickBooks will begin the import process. Depending on the size of your data file, this might take a little time, but patience is key. The information needs to be correctly passed and mapped into QuickBooks' system. Once the import is successful, check your chart of accounts to ensure everything is in its right place. If any adjustments are needed, QuickBooks offers intuitive tools for fine-tuning. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Wave accounting data into QuickBooks. This streamlined process ensures you're up to date with your business accounting needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made things clearer for you. Remember to give us a like or subscribe if you found this helpful, and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.